Hello students, today we will learn about warehousing services. This is also a part of business services. Now first of all, I would like to discuss with you the meaning of warehouse. Warehouse in simple words means godowns. That is a place or a building or a physical place which is used for storing of goods. Okay, so that means warehouse can be simply termed as a place for storing our production goods, or the goods which we are exporting or which we are importing, anything. That means a storehouse for storing our goods. Now we will move forward to the types of warehouses that is available. So here we have different kinds of warehouses. First of all, we have distribution center or distribution warehouses. These are the warehouses which are used to store and sell large quantities of goods. That means from these places, goods are being distributed to various places of consumption. Next is climate controlled warehouse. Climate controlled warehouses are those warehouses which are also known as cold storage. That means these are used for storing of specific perishable items or food items which needs specific climate conditions for them to be stored and preserved. Okay, so like for example, I have given you that cold storage where various kinds of seasonal goods are being stored so that they can be supplied as and when they are demanded in the market according to the time. Next, we have private warehouses. Private warehouses are those warehouses owned by large business houses for storage of their own stock. So these are basically warehouses which are being set up by various kinds of industrialists or the individuals. Okay, they are the owners of these kinds of warehouses and they construct according to their own requirements. Okay. Next, we have public warehouses. Public warehouses are those warehouses which are being set up by the various kinds of people or various kinds of individuals who are serving the public. Like for example, if I say that all the businessmen doesn't have the adequate financial stability and capability to construct their own private warehouses, so in that case they can move to these public warehouses. So these are basically constructed by group of people who are serving the society, and like the businessman can have a contact with them and store their goods accordingly. Okay, next we have government warehouses. So these are, as the name suggests, that it is being set up by the government. So you have to approach to the government authorities for using this kind of warehouses. Next, we have cooperative warehouse. Cooperative warehouses are being set up by the cooperative societies, and this is specifically reserved for the cooperative members, like for the cooperative farming society. Those who are the members of these farming society can use their cooperative warehouses. Okay, next we have bonded warehouse. Now bonded warehouse are those warehouse which are being constructed to store the goods which have been imported, but certain kinds of import duties or other excise duties are being unpaid. I mean, those duties are due to be paid, okay, in the future period of time. So for the time being, those goods can be stored in these kinds of warehouses, bonded warehouses. So bonded warehouses are basically used for storing the imported goods on which some kinds of duties are being due. Okay.